So I'm in a 2014 Dodge Journey, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure the vehicle is turned on, which this currently is. And then while it's on, and this is lit up, we'll go to settings, and then we'll go down to phone Bluetooth and select that. And then you'll want to make sure you have some free spaces here, so you can pair a new phone. So here we can add a device with that button, and then from your device you want to make sure this is highlighted, this blue, and typically if you hold it, it'll open your pairing menu. So we're going to pair new device, and then eventually we should see a connection pop up, which it did here. It may make us type a pin, which it is. So this wants 0000 as whatever it displays there. Hit OK. And sometimes this will take a few tries, just how technology goes. That's just how it is. But that should be it. It's still in a loading screen, but it might ask you a confirmation if you want to load like your phone book and things like that into the vehicle as well. But once it's fully connected, it should let you, listen to music. Sometimes you can sync up maps. You can take calls, all that sort of stuff through the car. It's taking a little bit for some reason, but that's the last step. If you have to try it again, you can turn off your phone, turn it back on. You can restart the car, turn it back on. Those typically might fix it. Sometimes you might have to go in the menu and forget the network from your phone, and then just redo this whole process. But I've done all the buttons, so in this case I'd probably, if it doesn't sync in the next minute, just turn off the car, turn off the phone, and just redo the whole process. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.